In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email in Getresponse. We're going to walk through how to send a standard email broadcast, sometimes called a newsletter, using the fewest possible clicks while still making sure everything is set up correctly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from your dashboard to a finished email that's either sent right away or scheduled for later. Start on your Getresponse dashboard. From here, look for the main navigation and click on Tools. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose Email Marketing. This is where you'll create and manage all of your one-off email broadcasts. Once you're in the email marketing section, you'll see an option to create a new email. Click on Create Newsletter and then choose the By Myself option. This tells Getresponse that you want to build a regular email rather than using more advanced workflows or automated sequences. It keeps things simple and gives you full control over the content. Next, you'll fill in the basic details of your email. Start with your subject line. This is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it clear and relevant. Try to avoid spammy wording and keep it aligned with the value you're delivering in the email. Once your subject line looks good, click on Add Recipients. Here, you'll select the list or segment you want to send this email to. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct audience, especially if you have multiple lists or segments. After that, you're ready to design the email itself. Click on Design Message. Getresponse will show you a gallery of pre-designed templates. These can save you a lot of time and help keep your branding consistent. Hover over a template that fits your goal, then click Select. You can customize the text, images, and layout inside the editor. Keep the design clean and make sure your main message and call to action are easy to find. When you're happy with your design, click Next in the top right corner. This takes you to a final review page where you can quickly double-check your subject line, recipients, and design. Now you're ready to send. Scroll down to the sending options. If you want the email to go out right away, choose Send Immediately. If you'd like it to go out at a specific time, choose Schedule for later, set your preferred date and time, and confirm. And that's it. You've created and scheduled a standard email broadcast in Getresponse with just a handful of straightforward steps.